Solving the Rubik's Cube. I'll join once I'm done. Happy Halloween! Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Rubik's Cube done. So, I had the green screen up, and I realized that the green screen wouldn't work because I'm green! How we doing? Zishan, good morning. Craig, good morning. GDT, good morning. Tony, good morning. Bullish Bear, good morning. Mandrill Brat Set, good morning. Chris NQ, good morning. John Doe, good morning. ASR, good morning. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You always knew I was a furry. Oh, it's so soft. It's like, I don't want to take it off. I can understand why kids love sleeping in onesies and being in onesies all the time. Oh, it feels great. This one. The fish tank. See, it's still here. Morning, Donovan. Stand up so you can see it. It's just the... It's kind of big. Like it's... Like I don't really know how to show you, like, see it, it's like... But Snorlax, he's supposed to be big. The tail? I don't think Snorlax has a tail. Both my kids are Pokemon, so we did a family thing. My wife is Ash, she's the trainer, and I'm Snorlax. The youngest is Pikachu, and the oldest is Sobble. It's actually the first year that we've done like a a family theme. No, it's actually like it's really thin but really comfortable. It's like it feels like silk almost. It's kind of crazy. A Bing bag? What is a bin bag? Thank you, Neo. All right, we got about 1 minute here. I kind of drew my lines out earlier, but they're starting to violate the lower one here. 21 ticks isn't that much. If I had to draw one lower, I don't really feel confident there. I guess I would say somewhere around here. But clearly, it did bounce off of here. So I'd obviously be looking below there. I really don't want it to start getting below there before the bell, though, which it looks like it's going to try. Did you guys see the Yankees choke last night? Dodgers are the world champions. Crazy. Obviously we'll be front running back up there. I really don't like this to the downside. 5 seconds. If it starts to bounce, I'd feel more confident. All right, we're gonna go for it. Ooh, didn't tag us. All right, in. Oh no. All right, let me drag my stop up to where I would have stopped out. We're not getting that continuation. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's what I was fearful of, is that it would just kind of tag us in and then try to go the other way, but it worked. And we're going right down to that line that we drew, bouncing. So that was a good trade. Good trade. It worked. Garbage bag. Bin bag. Some people call it a bin instead of a garbage can. Got it. I did trade earlier on my Tradeify account. It was a small trade, but I made 40. It was not much. Yeah, 42 bucks. We're up to 1,322 on that account. But yeah, so the reason I was already wearing this because my kids had their school Halloween parade at 8:30 this morning, so we wore our costumes there to support them. Wow, we're going right for the lows of the day. Wow, look at this move. I'm almost inclined to trade this if it blows through the low. Let me put a line on it real quick. Oops. If we blow through this, I do think we'd probably get a retest. So I'd be interested in trying this, especially after such a big move to the downside. So far, it's trying to bounce off of the lows. I'm going to vote today. We're doing early voting. Since the wife's home, just makes a little bit more sense than having to deal with them on Tuesday next week. I'm in Maryland too, so my vote probably isn't going to matter regardless. So you got to keep in mind that these are some big candles. From the break of that open, that's 353 ticks. How many points is that? It's 85 points. These are some big candles. Where do we go from here? I'm looking at the daily and the hourly. And next spot is down at 20,000, like 75. There's not much. We're at a decent area right here, literally right here on the hourly. But if we get below here, I mean, there's nothing until 20,075. This is quite the move down. This is why we put that 945 rule into effect, by the way, for these exact moves. I tried using your code on my funded futures at checkout. It gave me 0% off. Were you using a credit card? That's the new thing. It's not that my code is bad. It's that they no longer give the discount on credit cards. You have to use the... you could use anybody's code and it won't give you the discount with a credit card. You have to use the Plaid checkout, your bank account, and you'll get the 5%. It is indeed race week, F1. I meant to respond earlier, but I was almost going to get into a trade, but so far we are bouncing. I'm going to make this one bigger since it's the one off the hourly. Yeah, Paul, they came out and said something about how they're quote unquote losing money by people using credit cards as their payments. So that was, I guess, why. Because they got to pay the fees. So not only were they paying us 5% as affiliates, but they were also, well, you were getting 5% off. They were paying us, I think my funded futures is 12%. And then they were also paying the credit card fee. Like the credit card processing fee on their end. Ah! These ears make the headphones sit further back on my head, so they keep falling backwards. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Hit that like button while you're there. The first race is in about 3.5 minutes. 3.5 minutes. I even have it loaded up. I was ready this morning. I went to bed early. Didn't even get to watch the Dodgers win. I watched the highlights this morning. I was just so out of it. I took a nap yesterday after the stream for 2 hours. And I still went to bed at the same time as my kids last night. That's how like out of it I was. I do feel a lot better this morning. We'll see if that holds up. Feeling like a Pokemon? I am indeed feeling like a Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. I used to really like Halloween, you know, back in my single days. Well, looks like we're trying to head back up. Naughty boy. Caught me. You caught me. All right, got a little bit over 1 minute. 1 minute. Zisha. Fell asleep early also. I've been up since 4 a.m. I have not been up since 4 a.m., but... Ooh, no V for you, Zishan. He said, we going back to the lows. What was I about to do? Oh, yeah, that's right. Those 3-minute videos that I did seem to be doing very well. Mainly the Tradeify one. The Apex one's doing pretty well. I just put out the Take Profit Trader, but it's already over 1,000 views, which is cool. I haven't really had videos do that well in a while. Not since the Fast Track videos. All right, marbles time it is. We'll get this in so that we can... Why is it not coming up? There it is. All right, closing it up. Jocko sneaking in there. Samurai Frog did. I think Jocko was already in there though. What's up, Mr. Blowdryer? 91. I'll make sure you're in there just in case. Jocko, 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 Jocko. There you are. You did sneak in there. It didn't say your name was... Oh, yeah, there it is. I'm an idiot. All right. 91 for the first race. Let's get it. That was a bad stretch of races to end yesterday. I was not happy about it. All right, for a Tradeify 100K straight to funded account, today being the last day, it's worth $377. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Rayu, first one down. I'm going to do the math real quick on what it's going to be worth tomorrow, since I'm going to have to change it anyway. It will be 629 times 0.35, 629 minus 220. It'll be $410. Instant worth more money. Instantly worth more money. Oh yeah, I forgot I got rid of those lasers. That was such a haste decision. And we still couldn't do anything. Jack of all trades. Gonna be the first one into the laser show. I liked watching the laser show like this last time. It was pretty fun. Blung 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 blung. Ooh wee, dude! You did almost miss. Bulenox next. Could definitely do a Bulenox account. Those are pretty cheap though. Oh, I tried to go up to the first person and you guys are dying. There we go. Samurai Frog. Thank you. Samurai's first one down into where we built the wall. Oh, someone just got blown up. Who was it? I don't know. It looked like Paul maybe. Oh, Samurai, you missed. Mr. T? Also gonna miss? What? Guys, what are you guys doing? Thank you, Palooka. Somebody with a brain. And Moneymaker. Oh, Moneymaker's about to get... Oh, we made it through. This one? Here we go again. Here we go again. Oh my. Oh my. Come on. It won't let me get off of you. Okay, we got one. In Mont Daly. Anyone else? GG, how'd you get in there? Sorrel Golf is through. Oh, Donovan, no. Everyone's falling off. Visible ID, JP? Nope. JP's got a shot. JP? No. Where's Nick at? Nick, where are you at? Okay, okay. Got a shot. We'll watch Nick as Intmont Daily and Sorrel Golf head towards the end. Oh! Oh! Destiny? Destiny? No, it was not. It was not Destiny. Intmont Daily, first one. We got 2 shots. It's better than none. Oh, Sorrel getting a little bump there. Oh, you bumped him right into it. No! Passes. All right, here we go. It's got to come back up and back down. This is actually not bad. It's going to line up. Down. Bounce. Come on, baby. There it is. Open up. Open up. No. Oh, yes. 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 Let's go. Yes. Yes. Happy Halloween, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Intmont Daily, let's effing go. Beautiful first race. What a way to start the day off. Let's go. That was awesome. Switch accounts, check in, mate. That's right. I'm about to get into a trade too. Intmont Daily, congrats. Are you here? You have until 9:50. 9:50. Pokemon equal rigged. All right, nice first trade there. Draw a new line for if we break the lows again. Start wearing costumes on the Switch account and check in. Let's go. Intmont Daily. Who are you really? That's crazy. Yeah, exclamation point marbles. We'll start a new one. Keep an eye out for Intmont Daily. He's got until 9:50. What a waste that would be. What a waste that would be if he's not here. First race and everything. Imagine he's trying to log into the second account and it like won't let him log in for some reason. And then on his main account, he's like, it's me, I'm Intmont Daily. That's the rule, you gotta be here. What? That's just crazy. And it says he's here. I'll even give him the @ but it's still 9:50. He's got 3 minutes. That was awesome. That was awesome. You saw it open up and then it closed, but he hit the platform that was still there. He didn't even drop right in, and it pushed him in. That was great. Huh? Sobble? Yeah. Somebody, so we've been doing this Marbles track for a while, and some, obviously you can probably hear, but yeah, somebody won on the first one. But he hasn't checked in yet, and I only give him 5 minutes, so he better check in. There he is. Oh, he was on he didn't even get to watch it. He was on a bathroom break. Wow. He's here though. Congrats. Intmont Daily, contact me in Discord. Rude. Hey, he got back within the 5 minutes. It's all good. I think, didn't I change the Discord thing again? I don't remember if I did. Bathroom break for switching accounts. Yeah, the second account's in the bathroom. Now, Intmont Daily's been around. He's been around. Oh, my nose. I am identifying as Intmont. Oh, that's funny. Let's see. Channel activity. Yeah, he goes back quite a bit. He's been around playing for a while. Well, now I need to figure out what I want to give away next. Still waiting for a bigger push down. That obviously wasn't enough for me. Do you remember what you have to do, Intmont Daily? as far as taking a screenshot of the YouTube, etc., etc. And now we need a new track. We need to figure out which other track. I wasn't expecting that. The first race of the day. Let's go. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on, a little bit more. I want more. I want to see a bigger candle than the previous. That's pretty good. Getting pretty close to the bands here. This is quite the shove. All right, see if we can get the retest. Just like a previous candle. I mean, my line was kind of there. It was just weird how it started the new candle like right after. All right, see if we can get the retest. Come on. Chemo, give us that retest. All right. This one's being a little interesting. If I had to guess, this will be one of those V-shaped recoveries. It's just a matter of when. It'll probably go up to this 20,260 area whenever it happens. Being patient with my ad. I don't want to add too close, but I am getting pretty close to one here. I'm going to leave my other order out there. All right, got that one. Now see if we can break that candle and continue up for the actual retest. Really don't want this to not get there on this shot, but because it'll make me upset that I didn't just take it off because I got a little greedy. But I'm trying to play in my head that we're going to actually get the full retest. So often I end up making a little bit less than I probably should because I take it off too early. I'd like to see this push towards the high of this candle by, I was going to say when it starts the new candle, but it did not. That's a little frustrating. So we're not out of the woods yet. Alright, we're trying to hold support here. See if we can get the push back up before we possibly break this support. There we go, coming back up. If we get to the top of this candle again, I'm going to put a stop in at break even. So either it'll go or we stop at break even, but obviously we would need to get back up there first. It's feeling like it wants to try lower. We can shoot up towards the top of this candle by the end of this candle. 3, 2, 1. No, it's going the other way. Not good. Probably means we're gonna a little fake out. Fake out could be good. There we go. Let's keep going. Ready to put my stop in if we can get to the top of that previous green candle. It's just flirt. It teased us. It teased me. Knew my average was right there. A little frustrating because I didn't take the whole thing off like I usually do. Of course, this is the one time it didn't go up and get the full retest, right? Not the one time. Obviously, it's probably done that before. All right, get to the top of this candle, put my stop in. But ideally like this to just go straight up through. Five seconds. See if they can push this candle. It's a good sign. Keep going, keep going. Fire step in. Go, go. Still too close to put my stop in. Come on. At least fake it out, right? At least fake out going for the retest. It doesn't even want to do that. Do it. Shoot it up there. Ready to let go. Get up there. I just want to give it a chance. I don't want to put this in here and then just get ticked out. I just can't seem to get up there. That is so frustrating. Go. Go. Come on. It's like I'm trying to let you get out break even. Go, go. All right, stops in. It's either it goes or we break even on this trade. It just does not want to go, does it? Oh, oh. Go. 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 No. How dare you? Go. Go, you stinker. Do it. You're right there. No, I'm gonna take it off. I mean, whatever. I'm just done with that trade. Yeah, of course. Fuck you. Probably could have made an extra, what, 20 bucks there, but whatever. All right, let me get in Mont Daily this code, and I need to figure out what we're gonna do for the next race. Literally, why couldn't it just do that like the 3 other times? It had to wait till I hit the button. It's like, all right, this time when we think we're gonna go lower, that's when we're gonna do it. Right after we force you to get out. No, I don't think we're gonna V-shape. The selling pressure is real right now. The selling pressure is definitely real. All right, Mr. Intmont Daily, give me 1 sec. Let me find where I put this. You're a shape. All right. Let me draw a line here because I will be looking to get back in. Bouncing off of there again. Am I doing bracket order again? I mean, you can. I haven't, or I have been for the opening trade. Excuse me. Yeah, look, here's that next level on the hourly chart, which is also a level off the daily chart. It's the same level. Three trades away from passing. Let's go. All right, looking to get back in if we actually make a move down here. This is what I feared was going to happen without giving me that extra little push. That's why I took it off, because it sure felt like that's what was going to happen. Just the selling pressure, like every time it was getting bought up, it just did not want to give us that pop that we were looking for. So you could definitely tell that the sellers were still active. I need to go back and watch the end of that race, by the way. Let me find the next map first, though. All right, found the next map. I just need to figure out what I want to give away. I do need to pee though. It's not very easy in this. That was so awesome. 100K is the biggest treat. That really was. I couldn't have picked a better day to win too. All right, you know what? Real quick while we're bouncing, let's go watch that. I can't believe it was the very first one. Little did Intmont Daily know. Gotta come back up and back down. This is actually not bad. It's gonna line up. Down, bounce. Come on, baby. There it is. Open up. Open up. Yes. Yes. That was the ultimate. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Baby, let's golf. Oh, you bumped him right into it. You're not bad. It's gonna line up. Down, bounce. Come on, baby. There it is. Open up. Open up. Why is it the quality so bad on my camera? I'm like, no. Like, look how close it was when it dropped. Look at that. It's right there. Look, it's right there. Oh, no. But it landed perfectly onto this guy and pushes it right in. Look at that. I wonder why the quality was so bad there. All right, one last time. Down, bounce. Come on, baby. There it is. Open up. Open up. Yes. 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 I have the original footage, like on OBS, because I always record it. Let's go. That was awesome. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. All right, let me go pee while I think. Aya, you missed it. All right, all right, all right, all right. I found out who Int Mont Daily is, by the way. And let's just say I'm happy that he won. I'll leave it up to him if he wants to say who he is in chat. Disqualified. It was a second account, yes. Come on, if you're gonna make a move, make a move. All right. So I have the map. What am I gonna give away? What am I gonna give away? Let me see something. Nope, we bouncing. We bouncing. Speaking of which, Bulenox 90% off ends today. Apex ends today. They're 80%. Tradeify's 45% or 40% straight to funded, 55% advanced growth accounts ends today. I believe take profit trade. I think everything ends today. I think like I don't know what they're gonna do after this, but I know it all ends and they probably won't run anything until Thanksgiving would be my guess. So if you are looking to get anything at current prices, today is probably the last day. My funded futures, I know they're the 25% off the 25k milestone account. If you're interested in that, that also ends today. Or it says valid until November 1st, so maybe it ends tomorrow. They just went to Friday. They sent me this guy. Why is it so big? There you go. Oh, still too big. So 25% off the 25k milestone that says valid until the 1st with code VOLA. So if you're interested in that, just trying to go through all the discounts while I'm trying to think what to give away. This next track doesn't, it seems hard, but I ran 1,000 marbles on it twice and 2 people won both times, so I don't think it's that hard. It's only 90% on option 1. Yes. Yeah. It's very rare that they run anything on option 2s. All right, starting to bounce. If we win marbles, we get that costume autographed. I don't know. This might be my costume for years to come. I don't know. I'm thinking, Karen. You got any ideas that aren't too crazy? What's up, Matt Rad? Happy Halloween. Somebody won the first jackpot for anyone that's just now tuning in, by the way. Donovan's driving right now. Well, he probably added his name for at least this one, the next one. How about we just start with... How about we just do... Let's just do 50 bucks and we'll do the dollar per race. Let's start there. I know it's not a big account or anything, but can't be doing those all the time, you know? Was down 3K just now? Ugh. Oh, you were averaging into the downside? Hopefully, because now it's bouncing. Am I buying those accounts? Sometimes, yes. That 100K straight to funded, no, I did not buy that one. But some of the accounts that I give away, yes, I am buying them. Most of the accounts, actually, that's the first. No, so all the Tradeify accounts I've given away so far, I have not bought any of those. Brett was nice enough to give those to me to give away. The Apex, Bulenox, like those accounts I've always paid for. My funded futures is a mix. So not always. What's Bulenox difference between option 1 and option 2? I believe the end of day drawdown is the big one with that. And the I think there's a daily loss limit on one, if I'm not mistaken. You need that energy drink sponsor to give some away? That would be cool. Morning volatility is a killer? Yeah, it can be. I'm checking your Bulenox question. Give me one sec. Option 1 trailing, yes. Option 2, yeah. So option 1, it's trailing with no daily loss limit. Option 2 is end of day with a daily loss limit. That's like the big difference. But I'm pretty positive everything else is the same. Yep, contracts are the same, profit targets the same, etc. Yep, no problem. Yeah, option 1 is like Apex, yes. I've always said Bulenox evals, especially the option 1s, are a direct comparison to Apex. Option 1 Apex, option 2 like Top Step before they got rid of the daily loss limit. I don't know anything about Top Step, but I can agree with the option 1 part. Activation fee is so high on Bulenox. It is, but they have a lot less rules. So that's the pros and cons of these prop firms, is usually if you want less rules, you got to pay for it. That's just kind of how it is. The cheaper it is, usually the more rules. That's kind of how you have to think about it. Do you want to pay less and deal with more rules, or do you want to pay a little bit more and have less rules? It's kind of the consensus that I've come to with everything. All right, so yeah, let's do 50 bucks cash, and we'll do the $1 per, because this one's coming out of my pocket, so we'll start at 50, which is more than double what I usually start at. So I remember when I first started, I was just doing $1. Like, we would start at $1. Remember, Kevin almost won $7. Halloween bonus. Yeah, I wish it were like that. Someone give me the Halloween bonus. All right, let's run it. I'll give it till 10:25, and then we'll get back on track at 10:40 with the next one. So you got a minute and a half. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in if you have not already. That's great that first race of the day. That was beautiful. Especially after all the struggles we had yesterday to even get one person to the end. And then the first race today, somebody wins. Beautiful. Beautiful. Zishan, imagine if you made 525 on that trade. Imagine if you would have just held it. Pretty crazy trade. All right, we got 40 seconds. Let me get to where I need to in marbles. This will be for $50 PayPal, cash money. And every race that we fail will go up $1. We'll even add an extra race so that we stay at a even 5. Since we finished that in the first race today, we'll do 5 of the new track. All right, 10 seconds. Closing it up. Ow. I wonder what we're gonna even want to change on this one. It's kind of interesting. It didn't seem like there was that much to change. I have to take a closer look. All right, so here's the track. So basically, you drop down, you go through here, you drop into the laser field. There's some bombs and stuff in here. We'll pay attention to those. If you get through the laser show, it shoots you into here. There's a little hole that you have to make it into. If you make it in that hole, you'll see when we get there. It's actually pretty cool. It's a nice little ending, but you have to get to that. The end starts if you make it into this hole. All right, so that's what you're aiming for. 3, 2, 1, let's go. $50 cash money. Sean Farmer, first one down. We'll follow a marble through just so that we can see exactly what's going on here. Yeah, see that there's some bombs down here. Don't want to hit them. Oh, no! You don't want to hit the bombs. You don't want to hit the bombs. Looks like if you go down the middle, there is no bombs. Damn Futures, first one into the laser show, already got lasered. Here we go. Lasers everywhere. All you gotta do is make it to the end. There we go, drop down. You drop into this guy, it's then gonna shoot you to the hole. Look, there's only 18 of you still alive, 16. Ooh. Froggo, no, that is not the way. Kavan's gonna, no. All right, so we got 11 shots at the hole. See if anyone makes it. This is the start of the end. Jason S. Jason really wants to pay for lunch on Wednesday. He really wants to. All right, Saber's gonna be first. Oh, nope. Nope, nope. Oh, we got one. Lucky Charms in. Oh, but he fell off. How did you fall off? Get out of here. Wow. So you go through. Oh, I guess oh, that you must have went through like perfectly as this thing wasn't in there. Because what it does is you hit this thing and then you slowly roll and you got to make it into this. The peg's there to stop you. But if you make it into this, then it's like the golf one where all you have to do is drop into one of these 4. That's it. That's the end. Because then the end is under in there. You drop in here and this is the end. All right. Well, I thought we were going to have one shot at it, but nope. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. We'll run the next one at 10:40. Actually, we'll do it a little earlier. We'll catch up. 10:35. 10:35. You got 6.5 minutes. 6.5 minutes. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Up to $51. Oh, 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 oh. All right, we're headed back down to the lows here. So much for that V shape, Mr. Zishan. like a volcano. What is anybody else dressing up for Halloween? If you are, I'm curious to what you're dressing up as. Donovan's back. You were in the last one, I'm pretty sure. I feel like I remember seeing your name. My kids are making me be Brock from Pokemon. Yeah, my wife's being Ash Ketchum. Only if we just bought at support levels. And it worked every time, right? I think we could draw this line, huh? It obviously turned into a key area. 20,200. Like I said, this line is also off the daily. I'm actually going to make this one bigger. Like a volcano. My oldest is Ash and my youngest is Pikachu. Yeah, here, let me show you guys. This was from, I didn't take an actual picture. Actually, let me see the one from the bus stop this morning. Yeah, it's not the best picture of them. Just do the one. Oh, hold on, there's more. Oops. There's them. The oldest is Sobble, and the youngest is Pikachu. I can't really like see it, but I guess I could load it up on Google Photos, but you get the idea. Is there no discount for My Fun Future starter accounts? I use your code. So yeah, I've been getting this a lot. So there is still 5% off Vencat, but you have to use the Plaid bank account payment. No matter whose code you use, they no longer work for credit cards. They got rid of the discount for credit cards. So if you're using a credit card, they don't give you the discount anymore. You got to use the Plaid bank account system. All right, trying the lows again. Everyone vote already? I'm voting today, actually. Use your influence and get us another 25% discount on My Fun Futures. Well, right now they do have 25% off. It's just on the 25K milestone accounts. What's the difference between buying the bid and buying market? So if you buy on the bid, let me see if I can show you. Do they have a time and sales on here? I'm sure they do. or not a time and sales, like a level 2 DOM surface maybe. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, time and sales isn't going to show you what I'm trying to show you. But here, I'll just kind of zoom in. So at any given moment, I wonder if it's on, if I right click and check the chart. Let's see. View price range. What is price range? No, it's not. Yeah, I was saying if they showed the bid and the ask. So the bid and the ask is at any given time, like the current. So think of like an auction, right? You have people that are selling things and they have an idea in their head what they want to sell for. And then you have people that are bidding for things so that they know what they're trying to get it for the cheaper price. So if the price is at right now 138, but somebody only wants to pay 124, they could bid an offer at 124. So at every point in time, there's a current bid, the current highest bid, and the current lowest ask, right? So that's what creates the market. Now, sometimes there's a spread. So if it's at 130 is the bid and 135 is the ask, there's a 5-point spread. Now, if it's 130 and the ask is at 131, there's a 1-point spread. And sometimes it'll go down to the quarter, right? It'll be 130 and then 130.25. So there's no spread. And if you mark it in, you're always going to get the higher of the, like, so if I'm buying, right? If I hit market, it's going to give me whatever the current ask is. So if there's a spread, say it's 130 is the bid and 135 is the ask. If I hit market, I'm going to pay 135. It's just going to market me in, but I'm going to guaranteed get filled because I'm paying exactly what someone is asking for their share or their contracts. Now, if I wanted to hit the bid when it's at 130, I could put it out there, but it's not going to get filled right away because I don't know if there's a seller at 130, right? We know there's sellers at 135, but there may not be sellers at 130. So if I put my bid out at 130, it doesn't mean I'm going to get filled, which means I could miss the trade if it starts to go up from there. But if somebody is willing to pay that 130 as a seller, it will then fill you at 130, giving you a 5-point better fill, right? So that's really the gist of it. NQ is definitely more volatile, yes. You just get more out of it. The ES people like, I think, because it's slower. A lot of streamers like the NQ, I'm assuming just because it's more action. I like it because I'm looking for the volatility. ES doesn't really have a lot of volatility. So hopefully I explained that okay. But yes, the reverse does apply to shorts. It's the exact opposite in shorts. So if you're looking to go short and you have that same spread of 130 by 135, if you hit the bid to sell, it's going to, like, that's a market order essentially. You're going to get filled at 130 and not 135, which 135 would be the better price if you're going short, right? Ooh, that's what we're looking for, but obviously there was just a bunch of orders sitting there. We had no way of getting filled there. Plus that wasn't enough. I was looking for more under 100. We're so close to the whole number there of 100. I'd be looking for that. Yep, no problem. We also have to mention there's a difference between market order and buying at the ask. Not really, that's the same thing. Well, the only way it's different is if you're using very large size. So if you're buying at the ask, like, and it's a limit order, you will get filled only at that price. But if you hit market and the price moves very quickly, you will get filled wherever the market fills you. So there is a little difference there. But if you're just hitting by the ask, I mean, you're essentially marketing in, unless you have really big size where you move the market, or if the price shoots up at once. But if you're hitting the button as the price moves up, like, it's still going to fill you higher than you thought you were going to get filled, if that makes sense. But yeah, Matt Rad is not wrong, but it's very rare that if you hit the ask while buying, you're essentially marketing in, but yeah, but not technically. Only a problem in illiquid markets or heavy. You're right, exactly. With the NQ, you probably never have to worry about that, especially dealing with props. That's like one of the big issues props have, right? You could have people trading on these props. People are putting through thousands and thousands of contracts all at once. Look at the actual volume on these candles. It's like the last one was what? I can't, it doesn't show me, does it? Oh yeah, 5,886. Or that was just this big candle. This one was only 3,550. The one that just happened, 2,637. With all these prop firms, you're putting through tens of thousands of contracts. And that's one of the big thing regulators, I think, are a little upset with, is like, if everyone had a real account and not these prop accounts, and they were actually going into the market, like, they would be making more money off fees and stuff like that, right? So that's one of the huge advantages of prop trading, is you don't ever have to worry about your size and slippage and stuff like that, because you don't have to worry about slippage because of your size. Someone won the Tradeify account. Yes, they won it on the first race. It was great. Don't have to worry about slippage because of your side. Get out of here. That was a good one, though. That's a good one. Is there an annual conference you streamers do as like an exclusive thing? I sure hope not. I would not want to have to deal with them. But no, to answer your question, not that I know of. Not with me. Oh crap, I totally missed the marbles. All right, let me get to where I need to be. It's supposed to be at 10:40, but give you an extra 5 minutes. I wasn't even paying attention. All right, closing it up. Nobody wants the $50 cash. They just wanted the Tradeify account. Was it 62? We'll do another one of those eventually. Maybe next week. Who knows? Open 62. All right, here we go. 62, $51 cash money. 321 pips and ticks. First one down. You really want to be in the middle, that's for sure. You don't really, your starting position, I guess, kind of dictates that for you, but that is true, Jason. That is true. Boom, boom. People getting blasted. Oh my. Holy crap. What the? It blasted you all the way down the track. That's crazy. That's awesome. That's so crazy to make it through. Oh! That's so crazy to make it through all those lasers. Chart's heading to the lows. No, I don't want to miss it. I'm watching the chart through the lows. Just a fake out for now. All right, let's see if we can get someone in the hole again. We only got 4 of you. It's not good. No, looked a little left. No, made it. See? Okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. All right, now you got to fiddle your way through these and end up right in the middle without the peg. Without the peg. I think that might not be centered. Oh, oh. Oh, I thought you had it. All right, you guys are going to be at like the same time. Pew, pew. Nope. Nope. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. We had a shot there. Has the first one in line ever won? Yeah, they just did. The Tradeify account. Your volume bars are just gray. Do you use volume for trading? Yeah. Oh crap. Speaking of trading. The more volume to me, the better. It usually indicates a key area. Ugh, don't you do that. No, come on, you dirty. Six ticks. 6 tickers. Oh, that sucks, because I feel like that's the retest we were looking for. All right, stops in. Either it works here or we break even. All right, that sucks. Missed us by 6 ticks coming back up. I mean, that's the trade we're looking for, right? We're looking for that pop. If that pop doesn't fill us, I don't want to be in that trade anymore. I need to get better at doing exactly what I just did. Because I can always just look to get back in, right? And now if it does go lower, I'm in a better position. Because now I'm not fighting my average. Remember, this is a key area on the daily, or the hour, yeah, the daily and the hourly. At 80, what is this? 79, 80. Oh, it actually gave us that fill. Retest, retest. Nice. We'll take that. There's only 22 ticks, but surprise, it actually gave us a good fill there. I thought it would have been closer to 30 ticks based off the look of it, but didn't fill you either, Sean. Yeah, that was a little frustrating. I was a little short. I went for 40. It's all good. All right, through this area, I'm expecting a pretty big dump. So we'll see if we get it or not. If not, we're probably going to bounce from here. But if it goes through, I'm expecting, I mean, look, the volume, you can feel the volume picking up. You can see it in the candle. All right, we are through that area. Let's see what happens. Anytime you start seeing like little wicks like that form instantly, that's when you know the volatility's there. You can see the volume, like you were saying. I talk about the volume bars all the time. I was gonna say you can see the volume bars picking up a little bit. I forgot to change to 52. We'll run the next race at 11 or 10:55. Got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. All you had to do was just short at the market open. You would have been good. You would have had to hold through a decent little bounce, but so far we just going down. Going down, 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 down. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Run the next race. Chart pending in about 2 minutes. I don't even know what to change on this map, by the way. What do you guys think we should change? There's not much that would like make a huge difference. Maybe a wall so that you have to go into the middle so you can avoid the bombs. I feel like that's something we could change. Change everything? What do you mean? All right, we're rejecting, coming back down. See if we can get a bigger push. Need some pegs at the end to help line up for the shot across the abyss. Yeah, I don't know how that works if it's right down the middle, if it'll always go in or not. Maybe we can make that hole bigger somehow that goes in. I don't know. I don't know how that works. I'd have to take a closer look. I think right away though, if at the beginning of the track, if we added a wall for those sides, so everyone goes down the middle, everyone would avoid blowing up because we were losing a lot of people before we even got to the laser show. Although Jay Fisica made it to the end because of getting blown up that last time. No, never a bigger hole. Yeah, that's true. All right, closing it up. We're bouncing anyway at the moment. Oh, Matt McCasters, you snuck in there. 63. Let's get it. All right, well, we got to figure something else out because we'll start the vote after this one. This is the third time. So we'll actually make the change after. I should have started the vote. Well, we honestly don't know. So here's my thought, right? So everyone rolls down this platform. We could put a wall right here to make like the right side go to the middle or the left side go to the middle, because everyone like has their predetermined spots that they start. It's random, obviously, but if you go left or right, oh, you do still, oh no, they both go down. So it doesn't matter which way you go. But there's bombs on both sides. There's no way to avoid them, right? But if you go down the middle, there are no bombs. So that's like the big advantage there. So just a thought for what to add. So we could add a wall, and let's go take a look at this real quick. You drop down, and yeah, I'm assuming if you're in the middle, it would do a little better there. But yeah, I don't think, I guess you could make the square bigger. I don't know, but then that would have to be bigger too. Cause yeah, so you're supposed to hit this. If you don't hit that, I guess you could like fly through like the one did, but I mean, there's really nothing to modify here. Oh, we could get rid of the peg. I guess that's all right. Yeah, that'll be our two options because the peg is the big one here. So it'll be either build the wall or get rid of the peg. I think that'll be our key options. All right, $52 cash money in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Jen, first one down. Yeah, Jay Fiska. Yeah, I agree. That was a good one. Build that wall, make marbles great again. Or get rid of the bombs on the side, or yeah, but we could just make a wall and get rid of the bombs altogether. That's what I'm saying. You wouldn't even go that way. Look at all the people that are dead before we even get there. Whoa, marshmallow. Oh no. See, the bombs actually do that. Oh, Kevin. The bombs actually give people a shot in some cases, but most times it looks like, whoa. Oh, Intmon Daily going for back-to-back. Tradeify. I wonder who that is. Whoa, TV alert. What was that? You like snuck through the gates there. The get is through. That's it. We got 4 again. Seems to be our Jay Fisica. I think we know who's the pro at this track. Who'd I vote for? I think it's pretty obvious if you pay attention over the... I haven't voted yet, but I'm going to vote today. I mean, I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm voting for Trump. All right, here we go. Got 4 shots at the hole. Vegetta's going to be first. Oh, see, I don't think it necessarily matters. We got one more. Tony Gold. Exclamation point marbles. I'm voting for Hillary Clinton. Let's go. Make the hole bigger. I just don't know. I don't know how I would do that. Let me mess around and see if I even can do that. It would have to be like so much bigger because some of those marbles like miss by a lot. If I can, I'm gonna go mess with it real quick. If it seems like I can do it, I'll make that an option. We'll just have 3 options. Well, here, I'll just put them in there anyway. That's what she said. All right, change. Build wall at beginning. Remove peg at end. Make hole bigger. All right, there's your options. I'll figure out a way, or I'm going to go see if I can do it real quick, but if it doesn't win, then it doesn't matter anyway, but I just don't even know if it's possible. I'm assuming it is, but oh, it's like a bunch of different pieces. So you can definitely make it bigger. But this would have to be bigger as well. I just don't know how that would work. Ooh, spooky spider. You look like a Venom from yeah, I don't know if making the I don't think we're gonna be able to make the hole bigger because that looks very difficult. Well, what if I wonder, let me see. Let me try one more thing real quick. I am watching the chart, by the way. I see that we're hanging out there by the lows. Obviously not a big enough push. Xerk, thank you for the follow over there on Twitch. Welcome to the VOLA gang. May the ticks be with you. All right, nice little bounce there. Ugh. Did you dress your dogs up? No, I did not. I don't think that they would last. They're always fighting with each other throughout the day. They'd probably rip them off each other. All right, coming back down. We'll do the next race, by the way, at 11:11. My daughter was Lilo and the dog was Stitch. That's actually pretty good. My dog actually did really good for the trick-or-treating with the dog. That's awesome. What do you mean? We haven't had it. Or are you talking about last year? Yeah, see, like, no matter how I do this hole bigger, it doesn't, I don't think it's gonna work. Well, there's quite the bounce. I don't think we're gonna get a trade on that anytime soon. I love how it's make the hole bigger is winning, and I don't really think there's a way to do it. That was quite the move back up there. Get rid of all these lines. Wonder if let me try one more thing. See if that works. What the heck? Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna have to the whole making the hole bigger is just not gonna work. There's really no way to do it because even if I make it bigger, there's no way to get it into the hole, the smaller hole. That just sounds bad, but yeah. We're gonna have to change this one. What was second? Build the wall at the beginning. Here, I'll do the we'll do a revote real quick. Build wall at beginning. Remove peg at the end. All right, get your votes in real quick because I want to make the change before we start the next race. I'll do it in 2 minutes. 11:13. You got 2 minutes to vote. All right, actually coming back down to the end. Or the end, the lows. All right, it's looking like removing the peg's gonna win, which I'm not surprised. I feel like that and adding those walls will make a vast difference. Alrighty, closing it up. $112, let's go. Give you guys plenty of time to get those alt accounts in there. Karen, you were in there, right? Oh, I gotta add Donovan though anyway, don't I? 'Cause he's not in here. Yeah, there's Karen. Let me add Mr. Donovan. McNally Poo. Puts us at 113. Oh, well, you get 2 shots. I didn't look very hard. Ooh wee! All right, here we go. $53 cash money in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Jay Fisica. Jay Fisica is becoming our Kevin Baker of the golf map. All right, let's watch everyone get blown to smithereens. Neo getting absolutely demolished. Whoa, Kevin! Kevin got blown back into the middle path. That's pretty funny. Turbo Trainer going crazy. Whoa, Wayne, see ya. Oh, is there bombs down there too that I never noticed? Were there bombs like right there? I didn't even notice if there were. Visible ID already through. Look at this. We got more than we had all last 2 races. Oh, last late. Come on, blow dryer. No! Mr. T. Mr. T, give us 6. Keep an eye on Mr. T. Nope, Mr. T didn't make it. All right, visible ID is going to be first one. We're just going to go right to the hole and watch it. Here we go. Pew! Way high. Comma blah. Nope, left. David. Oh, so close. Jonah. Jana. To the right. Believe. I believe. No, that was so close. Oh, that was so close. Yeah, I see we're at the lows. Exclamation point marbles. Exclamation point marbles. That is the end pretty much. That's like making that hole on the golf one. So we're right there. Having 5 attempts at that is not bad. That's like making it through all the lasers and everything on the golf one. Just saying. Exclamation point marbles. We'll get one more in. We'll do it at 11:30, and we all know that I always go more than one more, but you know. Especially if it's a bad one. I don't like ending on a bad one. I hate it. It does feel like we're starting to lose some volatility. The volume, look at that. Look at that bar right there. And now we're back down to the crazy bars of nothing. Of nothing. And we're bouncing.
This is the future. Evolution.
So they like really faked out. Like if you go out to the hourly, let me show you what I'm looking at. Gotta go out further. So basically over the last days, we touched here, then we went back up and we retested the highs. But then look at what we did here. We came back down to this level, and now it's almost like they're faking this level out at the current moment. It's very interesting. Wonder if we'll end up in like this range. Definitely a big move.
This is the future. Human error. Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
They're trying to get you to buy groundnut flavored noodles, and then you get a free blow dryer if you buy the mega pack for $10. Sounds like a deal for you. Bum, 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 bum. I ain't it at the moment. Imagine how many blow dryers I can get if I shorted this morning. This is true. I said 11:25, didn't I? Or no, we'll do 11:30. Then we're 2 more minutes. 2 minutes. How long have I been streaming? Like today or total? Total ever. Since I pretty much started the channel back in 2018. Been streaming for a long time. Definitely 5 years at least. You can go on the channel, you can go back and see my, you know what? Real quick before we start this last race. Well, last race. Let's go take a gander. Oh, you know what? I think, oh, maybe not. Yeah, look, streamed 5 years ago. Let's say, I think I might have changed. Oh, okay. So I left this one, but I did change these to members only, and I just never felt like going back and changing them again. But yeah, if you ever want to see some of the really old ones, I guess you would have to be a member. Had the same green screen. Here's my intro. Blue chips. What's up, blue chips?
You hear me?
Yes.
I'm gonna go have lunch with your brother and William.
Okay.
You don't have anything for him?
No.
Just checking. Sometimes it's like, oh, I wish I knew you were going there.
And
I tend to be able to in Adobe edit that out a little bit, but I'm not going to be able in my household.
you guys want to hear something crazy? So TNAV, I never noticed this. I noticed it last time I looked at this video, but Tim is my name, and Amanda is my wife's name, and V is our last name. TNAV. My first stream ever. We were on there. That's pretty crazy.
So just kind of giving it a because when we leave Baltimore, we're actually going to be taking a ton of supplies with us, and we're actually going to dock at Freeport. We're not allowed to get off the.
I'm talking about the cruise.
I can't find.
I don't even think I take a trade
this candle.
in this stream.
Like 15.
Yeah, I don't.
Just to be safe.
I was still with CMAG at the
So,
time.
it was close to 30 cents. We got 24 cents out of it. 26 cents.
But yeah, that was, look at my green screen. I didn't have any lighting, so that was why I kept doing that. There's like some angles it would be okay, some it wouldn't. But yeah, that was 5 years ago. That's crazy. All right, let's run the race. Let's run the marbles. Closing it up. Ooh, Chandler. You're probably already in there because it should have snuck you in there. 102. Chandler, 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 Chandler. I didn't see Chandler. I'm surprised. Yeah, you spelled it right. Chandler. Go through one more time. I don't see you. All right, I'll add you in there. You did beat the thing. Usually it adds you in there when you do that, but Chandler Bing. That's your name for this race. 103. All right, for $54 cash money in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sean Farmer, first one. We're going to watch the explosions again. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look, there are bombs down there. See them in the middle? I never noticed those before. So maybe it doesn't matter which way you go. You getting blown up. I guess maybe the key would be to remove some of the bombs. Hey, look, not everyone's hitting these bombs, though. Notice that? Are these bombs? Oh, yeah, see, there's no bombs here. I thought those were bombs. They're not. Who's first? Oh, we got a few through. Tradeify, blah, blah, blah. Look, we got a bunch of people through. Let's go. We got at least 10 through. Oh, Tom, I thought you might have been. Cicerlon's through. Sugar Rush not. Mindful Soul. Stuck back there. Here we go. Got at least 10 attempts, 11 attempts at this. Mindful Soul still figuring out if they want to or not. Nope, they didn't make it. All right, here we go. Maybe we'll watch it from here. Combo Blah, first one up. No, Saber, no, Tradeify. No. This is tough. This is tough. You get in there, though. This is the end. Supernova. To the left. Marvin and Joss. Oh, that's got a shot. Jocko, to the right. No. Someone make it. Everyone's coming up so short. Oh, man. Last one. Get them in. Exclamation point marbles. You got 2 minutes, 11:37. That's ridiculous. So many shots. Not one person made it in. You have until... I'm going to show you. I'm gonna run one while we're not doing anything special. I'm going to show you that it's very possible. So it will end... Yeah, watch how many people get blown up here. It will end when this race ends. When this race ends, I will end the entries. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. Is that you, Donovan? Oh, it says Zach. Who is Zach? I'll check it out in a second. Did you guys notice this looks like a penis? Yeah, sorry. I said it. I said it. All right. I know for a fact that one of these are going to make it. So I'm just going to... Well, we'll stay here until one does, and then we'll follow it. That would have been funny if the first one did. Yep. See, here we go. Oh, it didn't work out too well. Oh, I'm stuck. Well, I'm like stuck in the... What is going on? Okay. Oh, there it is. Low. They're not going to fall in the thing. Oh, he just missed. That's all you have to do, though. You just have to get it into that tube. Of course, there's no one else going to get in there. There we go. Just got to get in that tube. Like so, but it's not going to line up. Nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. Oh, so close. Oh, too fast. But see, it's definitely possible. Like I said, the first 2 times I ran it, there was a winner both times, and that was with the pegs still there. So it's definitely possible. All right, closing it up. Once I get to the screen. Closey, closey. $58. We're heading back to the lows on the chart as well. I am watching it. I posted a link in the Discord for one of my videos. Yeah, I saw it. I will give it a watch here in a bit. 3, 2, 1, $55 cash money. Let's get it. Lucky charm. First one down. All right, yeah, let me go look for any bombs. Yeah, see, there's no bombs there. It's just on the sides. So you go down the middle, you're guaranteed into the laser show. Kaboom! I think it's funny when some of them... Oh, I see what happens. It blew the bomb in... That's what happened that one race. Look at this. It's still rolling. No way it goes in there. It's gonna blow people up in there. No way. No, that's dirty. No, George. No. George paid the ultimate sacrifice. You all, if somebody wins, you better thank George. If one of you wins, you better thank George. The ultimate sacrifice. We're about to break the lows. All right, here we go. Ooh, A is in there. DT's in there. We got some OGs in here. Let's go. Down the PP. Out of the balls, into the shaft. Here we go. Someone gonna make it in? Oh, lucky you were on like the right path. You were like straight. Oh! Aya to the left, Lords to the left. That was it. All right, one more. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. 11:45, you got 4 minutes. Because I did tell the wife we would go vote at 12, so I can't be here forever. Do we get another trade? Do we get another trade is the question. Decent day. We're up $226. Not going to complain, that's for sure. But I wouldn't mind getting another trade. We are flirting with the lows here. Is this going to get me demonetized? Probably. I'm probably going to have to, like, in post cut this part out. I'm digging it, though. The blue jersey. It's only in 480. Ah! That's so badass. It just looks like it feels so free. Like you're in the air with, you don't have to worry about some crazy jump because you're at the top of the hill like that. Like, it just looks so freeing. Back to back. Ew. Yeah, of course. By the way, this is Donovan. I'm gonna call him McNabb. This is Mr. McNally's video. Zach Quay. Is this your channel? I was gonna say subscribe to it, but it's like Disneyland for dirt bikes. It looks pretty awesome. That was pretty badass. That's something I would love to do. I just know I wouldn't be any good at it. It would take me a long time to work up the courage to do that. I thought we were going to get a trade, but as you can see, we only went through by 22 ticks. Obviously not enough. All right, 11:45. Let's do it. Ooh, wee. Do you say that every time you make a jump? Ooh, wee. Let's get it. Just up in the air, going, yeah, boy. All right. Marbles, marbles. Closing it up. This is my last race. I just got the message from the wife. Are we doing the early voting? All right, 72. Of course, somebody will probably win too. I mean, I hope somebody wins, but it would just be funny because then I'd have to go through with it. All right, here we go. $55 cash money. 72 of you in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. David Reitnicht, first one down. Oh, you want to go down the middle. Look, the barrels are rolling already. Look at that. They don't even stay still. That's crazy. Oh. Oh, Turbo Trainer, you like bounced in there. Oh. Oh, you're under. I definitely think... Oh, there's one rolling down. Look at it. It's coming. It's coming for somebody. It's coming for somebody. I can't even see it. Where is it? Oh, it's still going. Everyone's almost by. Sugar Rush is the last one that could hit it. How many we got so far? 1? 2, 3. Okay. Aya, come on. Come on, Aya. Sugar Rush? Really? We got 3 attempts. I was hoping for like 10 plus again. All All right. Can we at least get one person to make it into the hole? We got three shots. Not great. Not great. Mandel Bratset going to be first. Yes! You're in, but it's not going to be lined up. No! Damn it. Oh, I thought you were already in. No. All right. I'm out of here. Oh, hold on. Maybe we get a trade. This is our we'll look at this. Everyone, thank you for being here. I hope you all have a happy Halloween, especially if you have kids and you go trick-or-treating. Have fun. It's actually quite warm today, which is pretty nice. I don't know if it's warm where you are, but I appreciate you all being here. I'll be here same time, same place tomorrow. The kids are off tomorrow, so they'll probably be playing marbles with me. So look forward to that. I'll give this until 11:50, and then we'll see what happens. All right, see if we can get an extra push. Go, 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 go. Don't retest. Don't retest. Yeah, no, don't retest. Don't retest. No, no. Nothing going our way. Everything went our way at the open. We had a marbles winner. We had some good trades. And ever since this last trade, when was this? 10:30-ish? Nothing good has happened after 10:30. No marbles winners. Can't make the hole bigger. Can't get a trade. But yes, happy Halloween to everybody. Hopefully you had a little fun looking at my costume. It's very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. Very comfortable. By the way, X Sir K over on Twitch, all the marbles things that we're doing is over on YouTube. So if you want to come join us over there, feel free. All right, we got one more attempt at this. Come on, shove it. Shove it. All right. I shouldn't have expected any different. Give it one more attempt here. It just doesn't seem like it wants to do anything. See how this candle finishes. Okay, it's trying to go back to the lows here. We're looking for this candle. We want this candle through the lows. That's what we're looking for. All these small candles where it just barely breaks the lows and then retraces, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for the big candle through. Like that broke. Low is 34.25, 33. That's literally 5 ticks. We're obviously looking for a little bit more than that. That was better. Come on. Come on. Go. 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 So you just keep buying it up. It's crazy. There's so many buyers. I mean, when you really zoom out and look at where we're at, it's crazy that there's this many buyers. Like, this is where we were. Wait, it was up here. The bell was up here at 372. We're at almost 20,000. Exactly. We're about to break 20,000 again. And there's still buyers. Like what? It's crazy. At this point, I'm kind of scared of getting long because of 20,000, because if it gets through there. But the odds are, if we're coming straight down to it, we're probably going to bounce off of it, would be my guess. Everyone stopped buying the dip and DCA. Yeah, pretty much. We've been dipping all morning. Snorlax is the best Pokemon? I would agree. Psyduck's pretty cool too. My youngest would disagree. He would say Pikachu for sure. But that's such a common one, right? You see Pikachu everywhere. It's definitely the most popular. It's just crazy. Like what was that? 2 ticks? 25, 23.75. 5 ticks again. Yeah. All right. I was going to see if that candle closed down towards the lows, but it's looking like we're trying to bounce here. All right. I'm out of here. I will see you all in the morning. Like I said, I appreciate y'all being here. Until then, be good. Have a happy Halloween. If you are doing something, stay safe. And I will see you all tomorrow morning. Peace.